Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can make profits when prices go down. Now, the process of making money when the price of an asset goes down is called shorting. So basically, I am going to show you how to short various crypto assets in this video. Before I start, you should know that the content of this video is not financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research on content such as this. With that said, now let's jump right into this video. The first thing you have to do when you want to short a particular cryptocurrency is to look for a preferred exchange. In this video, I am going to be using the Binance exchange. Once you've identified the exchange that you want to trade on, the next step would be to identify the coin or token that you want to trade. And to do this, I would have to go over to CoinMarketCap. Right here, I would have to search for the exchange I am going to be using, that is Binance. In this section, we are looking for the Binance exchange. Click on this right here. The next step would be to scroll down and look for various cryptocurrencies that you want to short at this particular time. You can see that right here, this list is displaying spot. Since we are going to be shorting, what we are going to use is perpetual. So you click on this. This would display all the coins that you can short on the Binance exchange. If you scroll down, you will see various coins that you can short at this particular time and make a lot of money. The reason why I am using CoinMarketCap to identify the coins I would like to trade is because I can easily see the volume traded on that particular coin or token. And for me, I prefer to select coins with a high volume traded because this shows that there is a lot of liquidity and my orders would be executed properly. In this video, we can use any coin right here, but I am going to use a similar coin, which is BNB. Right now, let's go over to the Binance exchange and I am going to show you how you can short BNB at this particular time. Right here, you can see that we are on the Binance Futures platform and I am going to search for BNB. Alright, so when you search for BNB, you click on BNB USDT Perpetual. This shows that you are going to be trading BNB with USDT. So I would click on this. This right here is the BNB price chart. Since we are going to do a little bit of technical analysis, you should go ahead and click on the trading view chart right here. This right here is a better representation of the asset you are looking at. The next step would be to expand this chart so you can see this clearly. This is the BNB USDT price chart on the Binance exchange, and you can see that we are on the 1 hour time frame. Right now, I am going to show you how you can simply short this asset and make money when it continues to go down in price. The first thing to do right here is to identify various support and resistance. At this particular point right here, you can see that there is a potential support in price at $388. When the price breaks this line, then the price of BNB could further go to the downside. So once you've identified your potential support, you can also identify your potential resistance in the price chart. But what I am going to do in this video is to bring out the Fibonacci retracement tool. This will show me a particular price point for a potential retracement. I will click on this right here and select Fib retracement. And the next step would be to swing from this high right here to the previous low of the chart. If you look at the left hand side of the Fibonacci retracement tool, you would see different numbers right here. You can see the 618, the 0.5 and the 0.382. Now these are different Fib levels for a potential retracement. The most common Fib level is the 0.618 right here. The 618 Fib level is at a price of $398 per BNB. So if I was to enter a short position, I would enter at around this level and I would place my stop loss at a higher level. Because if the price should break this last Fib level at the 0.786, then this setup becomes invalid. That means you should exit your trade as it is no longer going to work out. So this right here is where I could enter a potential position in the BNB USDT price chart at $398. If this trade plays out and the price breaks this potential support, then I am going to show you a potential take profit level. To do this, I would also use the Fibonacci retracement tool and swing from this low to the high of this trend. And as you can see, the most common Fib level is the 0.618. At around $378 is where I will take my profit on this trade. This right here is basically a simple strategy that you can use to short various crypto assets. Let me remove all this and show you my potential trade setup. This right here is exactly what I am doing. At around $398, this is where I would enter my short position. My stop loss would be at around $402 When the price breaks this support, my take profit would be at around $378. So this right here would be my potential take profit. Keep in mind that this is just an example. This may not play out exactly like this. This is just basic technical analysis I am showing you right here. Once you've understood all this, now let's go ahead and place a trade based on this setup. I would exit the full screen. This right here is where I will be placing my trade. Before you place any trade on the futures platform, make sure that you are using the limit order, because you are going to be providing liquidity to the market instead of taking liquidity out of the market. So I always use limit order to enter my position. Right now, I am going to transfer some funds to my futures wallet. So I would click on this right here and transfer funds to this futures wallet. Right now, you can see that I just transferred some funds. The next step would be to set the price I want to put in my short position. I am going to use 398.42. This would be my entry price. For the quantity I am going to use, move this slider to 54% right here. Now this value is 54% my available balance. So this is what I am going to use to open this position. You can scroll down and input your stop loss and your take profit. My potential take profit would be at around 378.39 and my stop loss would be at around 402.26. The next step would be to click on short right here. I am going to short. You can see right here that this would cost me over $1,000 to open this position. So what I will do right now is to click on sell. I will click on this. You can see that my order has been submitted. If I scroll down and click on open orders, now this is my order that I just placed, and this is the quantity that I am going to be shorting. The reason why this number is large is because I am using leverage. I am using about 20x leverage. You can adjust your leverage to whatever you want. Just know that the higher the leverage, the more risk that you are taking on that trade. You should know that leverage trading is for professional traders. Traders that understand how to trade, how to properly do technical analysis on the chart, and they know exactly how to manage their risk. With that said, I truly hope you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you did, you can please leave a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and I would really appreciate it if you do so. This is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.